Looking at the Laserpecker LP1 Pro Suite, now this version includes the basic tripod as well as that nice metal stand. And with the app, you can do text, clip art, or upload your own design. For the most portable mode, just use the tripod, and that's a great way. You can just use the adjustable legs, and that'll set your height. It needs to be at 200 millimeters from your surface, and it's a simple way to start your engraving projects. Or you can do like most people with the Pro Suite and use the included stand. That's got an autofocus on it, so it'll focus right on your workpiece, and really good for wood, leather, paper, things like that. Everything runs right from the app, and most designs we tried took anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes depending on the base material that they were being engraved into and how detailed and how large the pattern was. So it's really fun to play around with clip art, text, or just uploading your own image. You can just get absolutely as creative as you want to. So if production isn't a main issue for you and you're just doing things for fun or on a small scale, this LP1 could really be a great choice. And I think it's neat with this engraver. It also works on leather. So here's a piece of chrome tanned leather. This is the typical type you would see with an upholstery project or a leather cushion. And so you can actually engrave right on that, whether it's a finished product or just a cutout piece of leather, as I have in this example. And it takes a little bit of time to work through the process on medium-sized patterns, but I tell you what, it is really neat the effect you can get. Has a bit of a soot finish on it that just wipes away with a damp paper towel and just gives you this incredible looking design. And this 1/2 watt laser would be good for wood, paper, or even leather. It's not a great application for metal, stone, or glass. You need a higher wattage laser for that, but for these basic applications, it's a great machine. So if you're looking for an entry-level laser engraver that can handle paper, wood, and even leather, this LP1 Pro Suite might be a great choice because it has a lot of the same features as more expensive engravers.